My name is Sai Prashant. Today I am going to discuss about Cartesian coordinates and spherical application advantages and disadvantages. First, introduction. A Cartesian coordinate that specifies each point uniquely in a plane by a set of numerical coordinates, which are the signed distance to the point from two fixed perpendiculars oriented lines measured in the same unit of length. Each reference line is called a coordinate axis or just axis of the system, and the point where they meet is its origin. At ordinate pair 0, 0, the coordinates can also be defined as the position of perpendicular projections of the point onto the two axes, expressed as signed distance from origin. Next, one can use the same principle to specify the position of any point in three-dimensional space by three Cartesian coordinates. Its signed distance through three mutual perpendicular planes or equivalent by its perpendicular projections onto three mutual perpendicular lines. In general, Cartesian coordinates an element of real n space. Specify the point in n-dimensional Euclidean space for any dimension n. These coordinates are equal up to sin 2 distance from the point to n mutual perpendicular hyperplanes. The invention of Cartesian coordinates in the 17th century by Rene revolutionary mathematics by providing the first systematic line between Euclidean geometry and algebra using the Cartesian coordinate system. Geometric shapes such as curves can be described by Cartesian equation, algebra equation involving the coordinates of points lying on the shape, that is x square plus y square equal to 4. Cartesian coordinates are the foundation of analytical geometry and provide enlightening geometry interpretation for many other branches of mathematics such as linear algebra, complex analysis, and more. A familiar example is applied to the concept of graph function. Cartesian coordinates are also essential tools for most applied disciplines that deal with geometry, including astronomy, physics, engineering, and many more. Next, spherical coordinate system is a coordinate system for three-dimensional space where the position of a point is specified by three numbers: the radial distance of that point from a fixed origin, its polar angle measured from a fixed zenith direction, and the azimuthal angle of the orthogonal projection on a reference plane that passes through the origin and its orthogonally to the zenith, measured from a fixed reference direction on the plane. It can be seen as the three-dimensional version of the polar coordinate system. The radial distance is also called the radius or radial coordinate. The polar angle may be called colatitude, zenith angle, normal angle, or inclination angle. The use of symbols and the order of the coordinates differ among sources and disciplines. This article will use the ISO convention frequently encoded in physics. In many mathematics books, or gives the radial distance, azimuthal angle, and polar angle, switching the meaning of theta and gamma. Other conventions are also used, such as R for radius from the z-axis, so great care needs to be taken to check the meaning of symbols. There are different types of coordinate systems. Coordinate systems with straight lines as axes and introduced in this section are called parallel coordinates. In physics, polar coordinates in the plane and cylindrical or spherical coordinates in the space are used frequently depending on the kind of problems. In general, those coordinates are chosen in which the solution of the given problem is expected to cause the least difficulties. We shall consider mainly parallel coordinates such as coordinate systems are of utmost importance for crystallography due to periodicity of crystals in the special system with parallel coordinates will be defined, which is used frequently in physics, also in crystal physics and in mathematics. It is applied in section 1.6. In crystallography, mostly special crystallographic coordinate systems are used. A coordinate system with three coordinate axes perpendicular to each other and length is called Cartesian coordinate system. Referring to the points of Cartesian coordinate system simplifies many formulae. Example for the determination of distance between points and angles between lines, and thus makes such calculation particularly easy. On the other hand, the description of symmetry of crystals, in particular of translation symmetry, become quite involved when using Cartesian coordinates. With exception of crystal physics, the advantage of Cartesian coordinates outweigh their advantages when dealing with crystallographic problems. Thank you.